Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this fail to login. Please check your connections. This is the error you might be getting while launching Fall Guys on your PS4 or PS5 console. I have proper internet connections and internet also is in good speed, but still I am getting this issue fail to login. The reason will be the region and the date and time. I mean, you might have not updated properly. So for example, I'm going to give OK. First, I need to close this. I'm going to fix that. So for that, right, we need to go to settings. Under settings, right, come to system. So here we need to choose date and time. See the set date and time. It is showing 2018. The year is wrong here. So we need to update the right one. You can update in two ways. Automatically, you can update through internet or you can manually update it. Example, I'm going to choose that set date and time. Here, right, you can choose set using internet. Just enable this set automatically or give set now. Automatically the date and time will be updated. Super cool. Now it's showing 2022. So if you want to update it manually, right, set manually. So before it was like 2018. So just manually update it and give OK. Now going back, so you can update either through internet or manual. Also you can set the correct time zone. Now the Fall Guys should be working fine. Set the date and time and the time zone. Going back. Again going back and now gonna launch this Fall Guys. PS4 version is good, so I'm launching PS4 version. This time I should not be getting any error like fail to login error. So going to start it. Super cool. Now it's successfully launched. So I didn't get that fail to login error. That's it friends, this is the way you can fix the issue in PS4 or PS5 for Fall Guys. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please spread the comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.